The inaugural WealthStack conference takes place next month in Scottsdale, Arizona. The event is a collaboration between the team behind Inside ETFs and the leadership at Ritholtz Wealth Management. We're here to provide a quick preview of the people that attendees will learn from and the topics that'll get covered throughout the 2.5 days of content. Today with us is Shana Sissel, portfolio manager at CLS Investments, who will be speaking on the panel covering liquid alternatives at the conference. Shana is a not-so-secret weapon for CLS, a firm that has close to $10 billion in assets, working closely with advisors to provide difference-making portfolio management solutions. Shana, let's get right to it. You're speaking on the liquid alternatives panel at the WealthStack conference. Let's talk about that asset class for a minute. Why is it in focus for advisors and investors in general today?
Why are liquid alts in focus for advisors today? Primarily because of the diversification benefits. There's been a proliferation of liquid alternatives in the market over the last 10 years since the financial crisis. And I think a lot of advisors are looking for innovative ways to implement them in their client portfolios.
So as you take a deeper look at what's happening in the markets, is there an overarching theme or trend that's influencing how CLS is managing portfolios this year for its clients?
Yes, one of the overarching themes or trends that CLS is implementing right now for their clients is be innovative. It's one of our newest themes for how we're approaching portfolio management, and we're doing this by taking advantage of what we call the new economies. So these are disruptive technologies, disruptive business models that are changing the landscape for how we invest and how we live our lives. Things like Uber, things like Beyond Meat, things like Lyft, Airbnb. These are all disruptive technologies that are really changing our world. And so we want to take the opportunity to take advantage of that growth that occurs there and give our clients these innovative ways to invest in their portfolios.
And what is the biggest takeaway you think attendees will get from your panel at WealthStack?
The biggest takeaway I think attendees will take from my panel at WealthStack is how to best implement alternatives for their clients. I think a lot of advisors struggle on the best way to do that because it's not exactly like implementing and diversifying using hedge funds. There are some differences in liquid alternatives, and the expectations that you need to set for your clients are quite different. So I hope that advisors and attendees take away some really important educational information related to that.
Well, Shana, thanks for your answers and thanks for joining us today. We'll look forward to seeing you at WealthStack conference starting September 8th.
Thank you so much.